Hi, I'm Chef RJ Ramos from Lampara, and now we are cooking truffle beef and mushroom sandwich. 30 grams of sukiyaki beef, 50 grams of portabella mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, mayonnaise, and our bread. And of course, our Umbria Truffle Oil. So first, we marinate our beef for at least 30 minutes. Just season this with the soy sauce and the Worcestershire sauce. So once our beef is marinated, we can now start cooking the mushrooms. With some butter, we just saute it until it's cooked. Set it aside. Then in the same pan, heat some butter again. Once it's bubbly, you can add your beef. Season a bit with salt and black pepper. While the beef is cooking, you can start preparing the bread. I already pre-toasted the bread. Some mayo. Once it starts caramelizing, you can combine the mushrooms to the beef. Season with salt and 2 teaspoons of Umbria white truffle oil. Now you can assemble your sandwich. The cheese, put your beef, and lastly, your mushrooms. Here you go. And that easy, here's our truffle beef and mushroom sandwich.